Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Children, this is page number 28 and the topic number is 4. Let's know more about animals. Children, in the previous topics, we have learnt about the animals. We studied which animals live around us, which are the domestic and pet animals, and which are the wild animals. Now children, let's get some more information about the animals. Number 1. Look, listen and read. Children, here you can see the 3 columns in front of you. Animals, shelters and sounds. The first one is hen. The hen lives in a coop. The shelter of the hen is called a coop. And the sound that the hen make is cluck. C-L-U-C-K, cluck. Repeat, C-L-U-C-K, cluck. Hen lives in a coop and make the sound cluck. Next is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse live in a stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. And the sound that the horse make is neigh. N-E-I-G-H, neigh. So the horse lives in a stable and make the sound neigh. Number 3 is dog. The dog lives in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. The dog lives in a kennel and makes the sound bawa, which is called bark. The dog bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Number 4 is the lion. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion lives in a den. The shelter of the lion is den, D-E-N, den. And the sound that the lion make is roar, R-O-A-R, roar. Number 5 is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. An elephant lives in a jungle. The elephant lives in the jungle and make the sound trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Next, bee. B-E-E, bee lives in a beehive. B-E-E-H-I-V-E, beehive. Bee lives in a beehive and make the sound buzz. B-U-Z-Z, buzz. Next animal is a mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. The mouse lives in a hole. H-O-L-E, hole. And make the sound squeak. The sound that the mouse make is squeak. S-Q-U-E-A-K, squeak. Mouse lives in a hole and make the sound squeak. The last one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Duck lives in the pond, in the water. W-A-T-E-R, water. And make the sound quack. The duck quacks. Q-U-A-C-K, quack. So the duck lives in the water and make the sound quack. Now repeat children. Read it along with me. Hen lives in the coop and makes the sound cluck. C-L-U-C-K, cluck. Horse lives in the stable and make the sound neigh. Dog lives in the kennel and makes the sound bark. Lion lives in the den and make the sound roar. An elephant lives in the jungle and makes the sound trumpet. Bee lives in a beehive and the sound is buzz. Mouse lives in the hole and mouse makes the sound squeak. The duck lives in the water and the sound that the duck make is a quack, Q-U-A-C-K, quack. Look at the picture of the hen, children. Hen lives in the coop and the sound that the hen make is cluck, C-L-U-C-K, cluck. The hen clucks. Horse. Horse lives in the stable. The shelter of the horse is called stable, S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. And the sound that the horse make is neigh, N-E-I-G-H, neigh. The dog. The dog lives in a kennel. The shelter of the dog is called kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. And the dog bark, B-A-R-K, bark. The lion. Lion lives in the den. And the sound that the lion make is a roar, R-O-A-R, roar. Lion roar. An elephant. Elephants live in the jungle. And the sound that an elephant make is trumpet, T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpets. Bee. You can see in the picture the bee is on the flower, B-E-E, bee. And the shelter of the bee is called beehive, B-E-E-H-I-V-E, beehive. And the sound that the bee make is buzz, B-U-Z-Z, buzz. Mouse. The mouse lives in a hole and the sound that the mouse make is squeak, S-Q-U-E-A-K, squeak. Duck. The duck lives in the pond, in the water, W-A-T-E-R, water. And the sound that the ducks make is quack, Q-U-A-C-K, quack. The duck quacks. Number 2, let's talk. S-U-N-N-Y, Sunny. Now Sunny says to Rani, hello Rani. Rani says, hi Sunny. Sunny says, can you make the sound of a dog? Rani says, yes, I can. Can you make the sound of an elephant? Sunny says, no, I can't. Okay, children. Let's read this again. Animals, shelters and their sounds. Hen, shelter is coop and the sound is cluck. Horse, shelter is stable and sound is neigh. The dog's shelter is a kennel and the sound is bark. Lion's shelter is a den and the sound is roar. Elephant's shelter is the jungle and the sound is trumpet. Bee's shelter is beehive and the sound is buzz. The mouse shelter is a hole and the sound is squeak. The duck's shelter is the water and the sound is quack, children, you all have to learn the animals name, the shelters name and the sounds. Okay? I hope you all have enjoyed today's topic. Thank you.